Hisense TV Apple TV. Hisense TVs are known for their affordability and smart features, while Apple TV is a premium streaming device offering high-quality content and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Many users wonder if Apple TV is compatible with Hisense TVs and how they can use it for the best viewing experience. Understanding the connection methods, benefits, and possible limitations will help you make the most out of both devices. 1. Compatibility between Hisense TV and Apple TV. Hisense TVs are compatible with Apple TV, whether through the Apple TV app or the Apple TV streaming device. Some newer Hisense models come with built-in Apple TV apps, allowing users to stream content directly. If your Hisense TV does not have the app, you can connect an external Apple TV device via HDMI. 2. Connecting Apple TV to Hisense TV. To use Apple TV on a Hisense TV, you need to connect the Apple TV box using an HDMI cable. Once connected, select the correct HDMI input on your TV and set up the Apple TV device. If your Hisense TV supports AirPlay, you can also wirelessly stream content from Apple devices without needing an Apple TV box. 3. Features available when using Apple TV. Apple TV provides access to exclusive Apple content, including Apple TV Plus Originals, iTunes Movies, and various streaming apps. Users can also benefit from advanced features such as Dolby Vision, HDR10, and Dolby Atmos, depending on their Hisense TV's capabilities. Additionally, Apple TV supports Siri voice commands for easy navigation. 4. Limitations and potential issues. While Apple TV works well with most Hisense TVs, some older models may not support features like 4K HDR or Dolby Atmos. Additionally, if the Apple TV app is unavailable on your Hisense TV, you must use an external Apple TV device to access Apple's streaming services. Ensuring your TV firmware is updated can help resolve compatibility issues. 5. Enhancing the viewing experience. To maximize your Apple TV experience on a Hisense TV, adjust your picture settings for the best color and contrast. Using a high-speed HDMI cable ensures smooth 4K playback. If your Hisense TV supports AirPlay, you can mirror your iPhone or iPad screen directly, expanding your content options. Apple TV can be a great addition to a Hisense TV, whether through the built-in app or the streaming device. By understanding the compatibility, setup process, and available features, users can enjoy a seamless and high-quality entertainment experience. Keeping the TV firmware updated and using the right accessories will further improve performance.